I'm be dude right here watching CT Sammy. Sammy just sent me a gift. I'm gonna be opening packages, bro. I'm about to be opening packages and got one of them over there waiting for me. So Amazon truck's about to pull up and I'm about to get another one. So let's see what he do. Fucking Sammy. What did you? I don't know what it is. Package is in today. Let's see what it is. First one coming from Nike. Oh, some Nike Tailwinds. I got this from my dad. He liked them, so I got them for him. That was a good first package. Oh fuck, I missed that. That's it. Got a microphone stand. I'm about to set it up right now. Let's get it, boys. See Sammy? Right now, the Amazon truck's right there. About to pull up my packages to see what's inside. You can just, alright, yeah, put them there. Link it. First package is gold. Got red curtains though. Alright, next package. Let's get it. There's a box, Sammy. Box right now. Ooh, my lights. Yeah, let's go. And my mouse pad. Hogs in the chat, hogs in the chat, hogs in the chat. We got another box. Let's go, boys. We're about to open the mouse pad. Woo! Oh. Let's go, boys. I'm about to set it up. Let's go. We're just about to put it on my desk. Damn, this shit is huge. Damn. Hold up. Woo, this thing is huge, Sammy. Alright, I'm gonna set it up. Let's go. It's the mouse pad. Fire. It has like 9 different modes, different colors. Let's go. This one changes colors. Yeah, let's go. Now it's time to unbox the lights.
I've been texting her all night. She know I was doing wrong. She left me right on red. Now I'm walking with my head.
Let's go, boys. We got a package. Let's get it, boys. Okay, boys. Finally, after almost 3 months, I got my weekend shirt in. I just woke up, sorry for my hair. Probably messy, but let's open it. Let's go. You know, I've been waiting for this package for a long time. At one point on StockX, they were going for like $1,000. Oops. Let's go to the EXO bag. Oh shit. Oh shit. Let's go. There's a V-Long tag and everything. Let's go. It's the shirt. Let's go get the V-Long in the back. Let's go. We've done this for a long time now. It feels good and I'm just excited. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.